Namaste. Welcome to this week's yoga pose tutorial, Virabhadrasana II, also known as Warrior II. I'm Dawn. I do yoga, and I also empower professional business women over 40 to use yoga tools to move from overwhelmed, frazzled, and burnt out towards calm and center. So in today's pose, you will have the opportunity to learn how to build Virabhadrasana II from the ground up. In many traditional yoga practices, you move the sequencing moves in the warrior series flow and usually moves very linearly from warrior 1 into warrior 2. And don't worry if you don't know what I'm talking about. Just start right here in this moment and join me on your mat or in your space in a standing position. You will face the top of your space and have your feet hip width distance apart. So forget everything you may know about Warrior 2 and come into this practice with an open mind. So taking your right foot, bring it up, bring your heel up, putting your weight on your left foot. You can go ahead and place your hand on your thigh, scoop the front of your belly up towards your heart to lengthen your spine so there's no bend in the lower back, and gently step your right foot behind you. You're going to leave your heel up so you're in a supported crescent leg here, or lunge position. Inhale, lengthen your spine and pivot the back foot so that your hips are facing the side of your space. You can continue to have your hands here on your thigh. Your back knee is still bent. Rock back and forth. You might need to adjust the placement of that back foot. Maybe taking it out so your feet are parallel rather than one behind the other. Coming back to center, scoop the front of your belly in and up as you unfurl your spine and your arms. Your front knee is bent and your arms are in a T-like position. Continue to squeeze the front of your belly up, and here you are, Warrior 2. If you're not feeling balanced in this pose, bend your knees and come back down, rocking side to side, finding yourself balanced in center. And I'm going to switch sides. So I'm just going to continue to rock my feet and pivot to face the other direction. So I have one foot pointing towards the top of my space. The left is to the side. My hips are diagonal to the space I'm on. I'm actually on a mat. And now that I'm feeling very centered, I'm going to scoop the front of your belly up, straighten the back leg, and here you are, Warrior 2. And you can go ahead and take your gaze over the front fingertips if you like. Taking 3 to 5 breaths here. You can hold, but make sure you're breathing. And when you're ready to come out, inhale, exhale, bend your knees, and begin to walk your feet back to center. So this is a great way to get into Warrior 2 pose or Virabhadrasana II. It's a little feels more authentic and natural with your body alignment, and may help with concerns you have with the balance. This can be taught in a way where it's hard to find your balance in that pose. You'll also know that I didn't talk about any kind of adjustments once you were in the pose. So the idea is to set the pose up from the ground and up, and that way you're already in the position and into your posture. Let me know what you thought of this practice, or if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you would like more of these quick tip yoga practices, please go ahead and click on the link for my free guide with 5 1-minute practices. And if you already know that you would like to work with me one-on-one, please comment, "I'm interested," and I will get in touch with you and set up an opportunity to meet and have a free 20-minute yoga experience where we talk about your goals, and I offer you a yoga practice, and this is all free, 20 minutes, a yoga practice that meets you where you are. So again, if you're interested in that free yoga experience, drop "I'm interested," and I will be in touch. As always, it's a pleasure being with you here today, and I look forward to our next time together. Be well, and see you soon.